Hi, I'm Gabriella Laszlo from KloudGem.com. I help businesses adopt and use the Google Workspace business IT tools, formerly called gsuite or Google Apps. I started my business after having worked at Google for over 10 years. I believe that we have come to an age when tech is not just for the select few, so my emphasis is always on empowering and educating. This channel is to share tips, tricks, best practices, and workflows for the Google Workspace tools. I have been called a tech lady who communicates with perfect sense. Helping people feel empowered using tech makes me feel proud and drives everything that I do. Feel free to contact me anytime to discuss how I can help your business thrive in the Google Workspace environment. Thank you for watching. To get alerts about new KloudGem videos, subscribe and click the bell. Until next time.